What's up, YouTube world? This is J back with another episode of White Boy Hip Hop Head Reacts. On today's episode, I have Lemon Demon and his song Two Trucks. This song was requested by Carl Scooter, sorry. So yeah, thank you for the request. I hope everybody's enjoying their day. And with that being said, let's just get into the song here.
Two trucks having sex. Two trucks having sex. My muscles, involuntarily flex. Two trucks having sex. Two trucks having sex. My muscles, involuntarily flex. Two pickup trucks making love, American made. Built for tough, too beautiful. Murder machines, American angels in the sky. Groan and cry. Two trucks having sex. Two trucks having sex. My muscles, involuntarily flex. Two trucks having sex. Two trucks having sex. My muscles, involuntarily flex. Right by my side, there's ZZ Top and Robert Zadar from Maniac Cop 1, 2, and 3. This barbecue could bring you to your knees. And so cool these two trucks.
Right. I feel like he's making fun of guys, which is funny. This song's fucking ridiculously dumb. Two trucks having sex, two trucks having sex. My muscles involuntarily flex. Two pickup trucks making love, American made, built for tough, too beautiful, murder machines, American angels in the sky, grown men cry. Two trucks having sex, two trucks having sex. My muscles involuntarily flex. Right by my side there's ZZ Top and Robert Zadar from Maniac Cop 1, 2, and 3. This barbecue could bring you to your knees, and so could these two trucks. I feel like he's talking about guys who it literally seems like they want to watch two trucks have sex. That's how much they love trucks. And they're a manly man, you know, that's what I'm getting. And this barbecue could bring you to your knees, you know, like men love barbecues. I mean, barbecues are fucking great. Who doesn't love a good barbecue? I don't care if you're a man, a woman, a transvestite, doesn't matter to me. You love a fucking barbecue. That's what I'm saying.
The passion is more than I can withstand. Two trucks holding hands. Two trucks holding hands. The passion, my big fat heart expands. Two pickup trucks, one cylinder block, crush my body like a rock so beautiful. No stars tonight, just fireworks and eagles in the sky. The founding fathers cry. Two trucks having sex. Two trucks having sex. My muscles, involuntarily flex. Two trucks having sex. Two trucks
stop it there. According from what I can see, he just keeps saying that over and over and over until the song's done. And I'm good. I don't. The beat was fine. If I'm correct in the meaning, that's funny. But overall, the song kind of sucked. Yeah. Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this song a 4.5. If the meaning is what I think it is, that's pretty funny, and the beat was pretty good. But other than that, this song was highly annoying, and I'm sure that's what it was meant to go for. But just because of that doesn't mean I could give it a good grade. So it gets a 4.8. Did I say 7? I can't remember. Whatever. 4.7, 4.8. Really, what's the motherfucking difference? Anyways, with that being said, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Click like, subscribe, leave a comment below. And until next time, folks, peace.